Every day, veterans are denied benefits they rightfully earned, not because their condition isn't real, not because their service doesn't matter, but because they don't understand the Kaluza triangle, the foundation of every single VA claim. And no one ever taught it to them. Today, I'm going to walk you through what the Kaluza triangle is, how it works, and exactly how you can use it to increase your chances of winning your VA claim, even if you've already been denied. This is the most important thing you will ever learn about the VA system. The Kaluza triangle is a legal framework established from a court case, Kaluza v. Brown, 1995. It defines the 3 essential elements you need to prove for the VA to grant service-connected disability compensation. Here's the triangle: current diagnosis, in-service event, injury or illness medical nexus, link between the two. If one side of that triangle is missing, your claim gets denied. It's that simple. Let's break each one down. The first requirement is that you have a current diagnosis, not symptoms, not pain, not just saying something hurts. You need a diagnosed medical condition from a doctor, psychologist, or licensed healthcare provider. Examples: back pain isn't enough. You need a diagnosis like lumbar spine degeneration. Nightmares won't qualify. You need a diagnosis like PTSD or generalized anxiety disorder. Hearing issues must be documented as tinnitus or hearing loss on a hearing test. Here is a tip: if you don't have a diagnosis, go get one first, either from your private provider, VA facility, or through a VA C&P exam. The second part of the triangle is proving something happened during your service that could have caused the current condition. This could be a documented injury in your service treatment records, a combat exposure, IED, firefight, etc., a duty assignment with known hazards, jet fuel, asbestos, burn pits, a traumatic incident witnessing death, MST, near-death experiences. What if it's not in your records? You can use buddy letters, service awards that confirm location, like Purple Heart or Combat Badge, deployment orders, VA memorandums that presume exposure in certain areas or operations. Here's where most claims fall apart: the nexus. A medical nexus is a written opinion from a doctor or provider stating it is at least as likely as not that the veteran's condition is related to their military service. That phrase, at least as likely as not, is the legal threshold for winning your claim. Without this nexus, even if you have a diagnosis and a service event, your claim can still be denied. Here's how to get it. Ask your doctor to write a nexus letter using VA-compliant language. Use VetMentor AI's Nexus Letter Assistant, which auto-generates a fully structured letter based on your inputs. If denied, appeal with a stronger nexus or new and relevant evidence. Let's clear up a few myths. Myth 1. I don't need a nexus if I have a Purple Heart or Combat Badge. Wrong. You still need to show how your current condition is tied to your service. Myth 2. The VA will help me figure it out. They won't. They process what you submit. If you leave out part of the triangle, they won't fill it in for you. Myth 3. If it happened after service, I'm out of luck. Not always. Secondary conditions can still be claimed if they were caused by a service-connected condition, like depression from chronic pain or high blood pressure caused by PTSD. Here's how to apply the Kaluza triangle step by step. Write down your current diagnosis. Make sure it's official and in your medical records. Identify the service event or incident. Look through your service records, deployment history, or awards. Get or create a nexus statement. Use your provider or the Nexus Letter tool at VetMentor AI to generate one. Submit the full triangle. Put it all in one packet or claim: diagnosis plus evidence of event plus nexus. This structure works for initial claims, supplemental claims, higher level reviews, Board of Veterans Appeals cases. VetMentor AI was designed to help you build your Kaluza triangle without needing a law degree. Inside the platform, we give you a step-by-step claim builder, AI, Nexus Letter Assistant C&P exam simulator so you don't miss key questions, denied claims analyzer that explains exactly where your triangle is broken. Whether you're filing your first claim or appealing your third denial, this system helps you connect the dots, and we do it fast. The Kaluza triangle isn't just legal jargon. It's the key to unlocking the benefits you earned in uniform. If you're missing even one side of the triangle, the VA has an excuse to say no. But when you build all three, you win. You get rated, you get compensated, you get the support you deserve. If this helped you understand the VA system better, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow me, Paul Hylenski, on LinkedIn. And if you're ready to build your own triangle, visit vetmentorai.com and let's get started. You served your country. Now it's time to win your benefits the smart way.